got that bitch on bag sitting low as fuck. He Alright, what's good everybody? I made it to another one. Cause I'm always finding them. That's what I do. It's actually quite a few people out here. I think from what I can see so far, it's probably like 50 cars. Oh, look at this Doom buggy. Dog was going crazy in the mud over there doing donuts. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a fun event. You got your boy K coming out. The other homie I told y'all about that I met when I was getting the YouTube channel placed on the vehicle. He's supposed to be coming out too, maybe. And I think I see that boy Johnny out here too. Oh, somebody else in the mud. Let's see what they doing. They go crazy. All right, Johnny. Raining kind of crazy, bro. That's low-key why I wasn't gonna come out at first, but I figured go in and give it a try. But I hate bringing her out in the rain, as y'all know. I fucking hate it. But let's see what the day got for us. All right, y'all, we just made it to the new location. And behind me, we got an SRT Caliber. He about to turn it off. In person, but I'm happy I finally got to see one. He said 1 in 1/6, and it's only throwing about 300 HPs. He said he about to get it to 600 HP soon, real soon. That's so crazy, bro. That shit's so crazy. Hey man, thanks for bringing this bitch out, bro. Appreciate you. I really do appreciate you. Some more crazy stuff today too.
What's the first one you've seen in person?
It's the first one I've seen in person.
Really?
No bullshit.
Only 160 were made in this color, and then about half of that came with the package. So I got like one of these.
Damn. That shit crazy. That shit crazy. I ain't never seen this season, so we got the speakers that dropped from the goddamn hatch, bro. If I get the chance, I'm a cop one. I don't know when, but if I get the chance, I'm a cop one. Or shit, he might get big and sell me his, who knows? Y'all started doing buggy already. Here go the close-up. Alright, we done found something else, bro. Real quick. It's a goddamn Astro, man. Hold on. He got that bitch on bag sitting low as fuck. He literally on the goddamn ground. Y'all see it on the windshield. No hood. No roof. That man got a custom stereo system inside. I know that boy loud. That's crazy. I always see something real unique when I come to one of these joints, bro. You already know. He on the ground. It's cool. No clearance. Low-key dog SS pretty cold. I said it's pretty cold. He got the joint up front. He got a big dummy wing in the back. I just asked dog how much his joint cost. He said $1,400. I mess with these Camaros, bro. I mess with them. boy going crazy.
What you know about rolling down in the deep when your brain goes numb?
Oh, geez, that boy's crazy. Alright, so it kind of got cut short, but not for real though. So low key, they ain't really shut it down, but too many exhausts was being ran, and the parking structure we in is a business, so a couple businesses above us, so they kicked a couple people out, but a couple of them get to stay. So we're gonna see what the rest of the day got in store for them.